Let's continue. So npm run client, so we can open the front end, and this is gonna send us to localhost 3000. In the front end, not in the root, we're gonna be in the folder in the front end. We're gonna install React. Okay, so we're gonna install this one, React icons, and this is localhost 3000. So we can just wait a little bit, and we can open a new terminal, and we're gonna cd let me see, yeah, cd front end. So right now I am in the front end, and I'm gonna npm install React icons. Okay, so make sure that you install it from the front end. Okay, so we have that, and here we just have the dashboard, so we can just leave it like that. We have installed React icons, and yeah, we can close this the terminals. And right now we need to create, okay, so we have the pages folder, and in the pages we have the dashboard, the login, and the register. Fine. So in the source we need to create a new folder, and this folder is going to be named the components folder. Okay, so it's going to be the components. Okay, components. And in this folder we need our header, so not another dashboard, but our headers. Header. Okay, so we are gonna have our header, and again it's gonna be JSX, and as you remember, RFCE. Okay, so we have that. Yeah, we have that. We have this function header, and we have return div. So in the tab here, what we are gonna do is we're gonna import fa sign and old, fa sign out old, and fa user from the React icons, and this is gonna be from the library fa. Okay, so we're gonna import, we're gonna open curly braces, and we can do it from, okay, so it's gonna be from React icons, and it's gonna be from the library. Yeah, as you can see, we have it here. Save it. So just to make sure that you have it, we're gonna go to the package.json, and this package.json is from the front end folder. So if you go it's here. So we have installed the React icon, so that's fine. Okay, so we are gonna bring in the let me see. So we're gonna bring in the FA. Let me see. FA. What it was? FA sign. Yeah. FA sign end. So let me see. Oops. Sign. Okay, there's one. So FA sign and old. Okay, that's fine. We're gonna also bring in FA sign out old, because this is gonna be for the logout later on. So, and FA user, so want to know which user is login. Okay, so we can have that. So we have the FA library signing all, sign out old, and FA user, and this is from the React icons and / the FA library. Then we're gonna import, and we're gonna import link, because we want link for our pages, and it's gonna come from the React router down. Okay, so Visual Studio Code does it automatically for me. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine here. So let me see. Yeah, we can have it like that. What else? So let me see how we can delete this one. Okay, so we have this header, we have this return, and here we have this just let me just delete it. Let me save it like that. We're gonna have a div, but before that div, we are gonna have our header. Okay, so we're gonna have our header like that. I'm gonna cut this one and paste it right here. Okay, so and then move this one here, and let me see. Yeah, so we're gonna have our header, and inside of our header we're gonna have a div. Okay, and let me see. Yeah, we're gonna have only one. So we have the link, we have two, and this is gonna be to the slash, and here is gonna be just courses. Okay, so the slash is just gonna send us to the courses page, and this is our only div. Then we're gonna have our let me see, another list, and we can put it like that. So like that, we're gonna have our let me see, another list. That's fine. And here we're gonna have our let me put it like that, li. Yeah, we're gonna have our list items, and yeah, pretty much we're gonna have this link that is gonna send us to the slash login. Okay, so let me see, let me just put it like that. So we have this link, and let me delete this part here. Link, let me, no, yeah, so we have this link, we are opening the link, and we're gonna close it right here. Okay, so inside of the list item. Okay, so we have that, and inside of the link we are gonna have the FA sign in alt. Okay, and yes, we are gonna send it to login. Yeah, we can save it, and here this one we don't open it and close it. For example, in link we open it here and then we close it with the backslash. In this case we can just FA sign in alt space backslash and then login. But this link right here is gonna pretty much send, we're gonna put 2 equal sign and not register, but it's gonna send that to login. Yeah, login like that. And pretty much this is Visual Studio Code can pick up in this, because we are doing login, we're doing register, so this is very common. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, we have that so far. We have this link inside of this list item. We have inside of this another list. And what else do we need here? We can we can copy this one. We're gonna just copy it. Let me see. Yeah, we're gonna copy it, and we are gonna be inside. Okay, we're gonna be inside of the another list, and again this one is gonna be to the register, and here should be register. Okay, so pretty simple like that. Save it, and let me see what else. Okay, so this one is because we are not using it. Oh, okay, so here instead of FA, here we need a FA user like that. Okay, so now we have an error here because we need a FA sign out all, but we are not doing it in this video. We're gonna do it in the next video. Okay, but we can just leave it like that. And let me see, nothing is happening obviously because we still need to go to the app. Okay, so we need to go to the app.js all the way here, and we brought in the dashboard, as you can see, the login and the register. So we need to bring in now is we're gonna import, and we're gonna import the header from the component. Okay, so we're gonna, and this one we just, let me see, header from let me see, component like that. No, so we're gonna bring in the header. Okay, so let me see, we are in the app, so it has to be, and the component is right here. So yeah, that, and because app is not inside of a folder, that's the reason we are using only one that. If the app file, it will be inside of a folder, let's say, I don't know, the app folder, then it will be two dots. Okay, so we can just leave it like that, the components and then the header. Okay, that's fine. And what else do we need here? So we have that in the app. Okay, so we have the header, we have the app, the routes, and okay, so we have the router and the routes. Okay, so we need the header just above the routes but below the router. So in this case it'll be right here like this, and we just go open angle brackets, header space backslash, and then we close angle brackets. Okay, so that's the way we do it. Okay, so let me see, control tilde, everything is fine. This one is running, and as you can see, it's working here. So right now we are in localhost 3000. So if we go again, we were in the components, right? So we go to the headers, and if we go to a slash, so right now we are in the slash, so we are in the courses. Okay, that's the reason we are here. But if we go to the slash login, we're gonna go to the login, obviously. So let me see, like that. As you can see, right now we only have login, and if we go to register, we go to the register. But as you can see, we have the links here. Right now we are in localhost 3000 / register. If I click here, if I click in login, we're gonna go to localhost 3000 / login. Okay, so if I click courses, it sends us to the dashboard, to the localhost 3000, because we only send it to the slash. Okay, so